Hello YouTube. All right, I am back with an update for my 2009 Infiniti G37, and we are going to do a review for the Grom unit that I recently got installed for my 2009 Infiniti G37 as coupe. All right. So we are going to talk about this unit and what happened to the previous unit that I did a review on, which is the Teyes CC3. It was a Chinese unit that I bought from AliExpress or Alibaba. And I am going to talk about the positives and negatives, why I took out that unit, and why I decided to go with the Grom. So first, let's talk about the Grom. The Grom unit that I purchased, it's I believe $689 or $659, somewhere in that range. It is not cheap, but I'm not sure if you see it. It's this guy. I don't know if you see it. It's this guy right here, the one that's lighting up in green. Probably is not the best shot. It looks like a Wi-Fi device, okay? So what happened is I decided to go with the Grom unit because it's going to keep your standard navigation screen. And this device that basically is going to sit either in the glove compartment or underneath your car seat or whatever. And it's going to piggyback in the back of the factory navigation unit, and it's going to use that screen in order to add the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay capability. And the beauty about it is it's a touch screen. Look at this. You can use that, or you can use Spotify, Google Maps, whatever you want to use. That it's going to use the navigation, the standard navigation touchscreen, or the factory navigation touchscreen. That's the beauty about it. So basically, if you want to add the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, I would highly suggest you go with the Grom unit. Okay, you see there's the Android Auto, Bluetooth, Spotify. You can add whatever you want to this you know, to your apps. Okay, so the positives are I decided to go with the Grom because it is easy to install. If you go to Best Buy, they should be able to install it. Okay, it should not be a problem. It's technically plug and play, no issue. And if you are having technical difficulties during the installation process of the Grom unit, or let's say the technicians at Best Buy at the audio installation shop are having issues with it, there is an excellent tech support line that you can call, and they can speak to the technicians at Best Buy, and they tell them what's going on and why they're having these hiccups, do this and do that, and they get it back to working order. That's the beauty about it. So the customer service is excellent at Grom. I was having issues in installing it because the guys at Best Buy, they couldn't figure it out. So I scheduled an appointment, and the tech support, they said, make sure you call me on the day of the installation so I will walk them through the process. And they walked the technician at the Best Buy while on the phone with the Grom tech support, walking them through step by step of what to do. It was just awesome to watch that, and you know, it's very very nice to see that, because you don't see that kind of customer service support. So the bottom line is it's easy to install, excellent customer service. It keeps your navigation screen, the stock screen, and it uses that to add the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability. That's the beauty about it. So just a quick review why why I took out the Teyes CC3, because the Teyes CC3, it gave me nothing but trouble. The AC controls were not working. This one does. So when you play with it, let's say I want to adjust the temperature setting to 70, then as soon as I'm done, it's going to go back to the the Grom unit. And the Teyes CC3, when I play with the climate control, nothing was showing up on the screen. It kind of disappeared. That's number one. Two, it was very glitchy. You got to update this and update that. Sometimes it boots up very fast, sometimes it doesn't. It doesn't have Android Auto or native Android Auto, because you have to download the link, and it acts like an Android Auto, but it's not an official Android Auto. That's the thing. 3, it was extremely difficult to install and program with the Teyes CC3 unit. And 4, which is the most important in my opinion, there is no tech support. If you're calling them and you're having issues with the Teyes CC3, who are you going to talk to? There is no phone line you can talk to, okay, if you're having issues with it. So what are you going to do? You're going to talk to the group on Facebook. There's a Facebook forum that is dedicated to the Teyes CC3 and what kind of problems they're having with it and everything else. My AC unit went out with the Teyes CC3. The sensor had to be replaced. The evaporator sensor had to be replaced when I installed the Teyes CC3. That's the issue with it. So the bottom line to all the Infiniti G35, G37 owners who do not have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you want and you wish to add that capability without going through the headaches like I went through, get yourself a Grom unit, because it's easy to install at Best Buy. And if they're having issues with it, there's an excellent tech support line. They're available Monday through Friday, and they're willing to speak to the tech people in order to walk them through and basically to correct all the issues that the installers are facing at that time. So if you have any questions, leave a comment or review or your opinion in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Peace out, guys.